Today I'm going to tell you about 1 to 1000 Armstrong number. So you can develop it in programming in C. Let's open the C language. Now you can see here I'm going to implement a new program here. For more information you can visit www.scienceandmicrosystems.com or scienceand.in, and you can also subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel virtual training on YouTube for more videos. Please like and comment on videos if you like my work. Thank you. So now I'm going to start the program. So it is basically program for 1 to 1000 Armstrong numbers. Display. As you can see, I have already defined about these stdi, rotate and conir rotate, and what about void main. Void is a return type and main is a function that is used to execute the program. So I just write and open the braces, and I'm writing down the clear screen function here to clear the buffer of the output screen, and defining some variables, and you can just printf for enter any number, range, specify range, enter any number, and scanf. Basically, scanf is used for input the variable from your keyboard. Percentage D is for digit. We are inputting the digit number like 1 2 3 4 5, so that's why we are adding here percentage C. So if I will use percentage C, that means we are entering characters. So address of number means I am addressing the number variable. Which number? Like number variable. If I am declared number 1, then it will not reference for this variable, so you have to define here number 1. Okay, so this is the reference of address of variable. Then you can start a loop here. In the previous video I have described like how you can uh, write a program for Armstrong number. So you can do the same program here, like first of all number, while temp is greater than 0, and then b is equal to temp modulus by 10. Temp is equal to temp modulus divided by 10, and e is equal to e plus e into e into e. That's it. Now after that you just checking the condition number is equal to e. Then it's display. This is Armstrong number. Here for 1 to 1000 Armstrong, I'm adding one more loop to display. So here I am adding for loop 1. I'm defining a variable I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 1000, and I plus 6. But I am entering here less than variable number instead of 1000, because which number I will enter, the Armstrong will display according to that number. You can enter as well here 1 to 1000 number, or enter here twice any number. Now you have to open this for loop first of all and close the for loop after this condition. So here you will display Armstrong number percentage d, and which variable you want to display, number or e, any number you can display here, because both are the, if this condition will true, number is equal to e, then this number will appear. Okay, so this is a basic uh, program. Now I'm adding here, let's get to hold the screen after executing the program. So I have to define some variables as well, number I and temporary variable b, and e is equal to 0. So I don't think there is some issues. Okay, let's execute this program. Okay. If I will enter here 1000, then it will display. Let me check. Okay, I have to display 1000. You have to display only number variables. Sorry, I am just missing something else. Sorry. So here the variable name will be I, because the loop is started variable is I, because I is value is increasing 1 to 1000. So we will transfer each and every value 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on in temporary variable. So instead of transferring number. So now let's check it. And here we will check I is equal to E. I think there is some issues. I is equal to 1 time. Okay. Just let's do this to 1000, and I value will be stored in temporary variable. Okay, sorry. We have to display exact I or E values. We can display E or I, anything. This is a so now we have one variable and we have to define variable I. Let me check why it's coming this issue. Is equal to e. I think oh sorry, we have to define here e is equal to 0. This is a major thing. So if you will not define it, it's fine, but we have to define inside this variable. So this is the issue. Sorry. Okay. So we have all the Armstrong number from 1 to 1000. Okay. So you can also display by line here. You can add slash n, backslash n, and once we will add 1000, then it will display all the Armstrong number from 1 to 1000. Okay, so if you will enter 500, it will not display before 500 because we just uh, the loop is set to 1000. If I will define here number, then it will only work according to the number you enter. Like you enter 500, then it will display only 1 to 500 Armstrong number. If you will enter 1000, then it will display only 1 to 1000 Armstrong number. Okay, so if you will enter here 200, it will display only 150. If you will display 300, okay, not 300 is, and then you will enter 400, okay, fine. If you will enter 500, okay. So now this is a basic program, and I don't think you will have any issue. So you can download also this program. I will upload to my site as soon as possible, but better you can see here and execute yourself, because this is the best way to practice yourself, and you can. So now I'm going to tell you how it's working. Actually, last program I have described you about this. I think you understand everything, this logic. So I just added only another loop. This is called nested looping. Loop inside loop is also known as nested looping, and I just added 1 to 1000 loop, or 1 to number which is you enter, like you enter 500, and this loop will execute from 1 to 500. Suppose you entered here number value is 1000, and this variable I is equal to, I variable will be 1, and I is less than equal to 1000. Yes, this is true. So when it is true, then it will enter in the loop, and i's value will move to the temporary variable. What is the value of I? Is 1. Then i's value, temporary value will be 1. Now temporary variable value will be 1, and then each variable will be 0. Again temporary variable will check the condition. Yes, it's true. Temporary variable is greater than 1. Yes, it's 0. It's true. Then again the all the condition is defined before you, so it will continue working from 1 to 1000 loop and display 1 to 1000 Armstrong number, like which is number I. I is increasing the number. I is greater than equal to E, which is Armstrong. E is result or Armstrong number. Okay, so if it will equal to the entering number, or it will equal to the I, then it will display the I or E variable. You can display here E or I as well, anything. This is the basic logic. I think you will understand very easily. So must watch and like my video as soon as possible. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.